Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a mango look to continue the Fruity Fresh series. I want to thank Cilas for recommending mango. If you guys have any recommendations for any videos whatsoever that you want me to do, you can leave that in the comments down below. For today's look, I ended up using the Makeup Murder Neon Pigments, and I had a lot of fun with them. You guys can expect a lot more graphic liner looks with those in the future, and so if you want to see those, you can make sure to subscribe and ring the bell down below so you're notified when they're posted. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so my brows are on. It's a good brow day. I will link my tutorial and the cards above for how I do my brows, and I am going to go ahead and prime my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm going to do so in the kind of graphic eyeshadow shape that I do. And today I'm going to be using these neon pigments from Makeup Murder. Their packaging is so cute, and we're doing a mango look, so I'll be using these guys, and I'm going to start priming my lids. Now I'm just going to fill that in with the concealer. It's kind of a flat brush to blend it out. And I'll probably go in with my finger too. And now before that concealer has a chance to crease, I am going to set it in place with the Coty Airspun powder. And now I'm gonna do those steps on this eye. I have never used these before, so I don't know the best way to use it, if I should use it wet or what, but there's a bunch of product on this stopper, and so I am taking this neon green shade. These are the Makeup Murder pigments, and I am gonna start packing that on the very inner portion of my shape here. So I am going to wet my brush a little bit and take a little bit of the pigment, see if we can get it to be even brighter. Oh my gosh, it is. It's so bright. I hope the camera is picking up how intense this color is. Now I'm taking their neon yellow pigment and placing it right next to the green. I'm taking my time to blend these shades together just because neon pigments are a little bit harder to work with sometimes. Just be patient. Now I'm packing the neon orange shade next to that. Oh man, that's so bright. And again, taking my time to kind of blend these two shades together. I'm just kind of tapping, some tapping motions. I'm going with a clean brush. Last color, I'm going in with this neon red for the very outer corner. I'm actually gonna go in with a smaller brush, just this really little Wet n Wild angled brush, just for a little more precision. Oh my god, it looks so much fun. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Now I am just putting on some of this First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. Just covering up any other discoloration with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just going back in with that Coty Airspun powder to set that concealer in place. Adding a little bit of definition into the skin with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. And warming up the face a little bit more with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And using a little bit of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush and Party. Hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. Redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. For lips, I'm lining them with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And I'm just topping that off with the Matte Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. I'm gonna line my waterline with the Maybelline Gel Pencil Liner in Polished White. Now I'm going to match the lower lash line to my lid, starting off with the green neon pigment. And I'm laying that on top of the white liner. Laying the net yellow down next to that. Taking the orange next to the yellow and leaving just a little bit for the red on the outer corner. And packing the red right on that outer corner. I'm gonna give my eyes just a really light lining with the NYX Epic Ink liner because I'm gonna wear falsies and I think that'll help them mesh better with my lash line. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner with a little bit of this Bitzy Nail and Body Glitter in Stardust White, and first I'm laying down a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'm just packing the glitter right on top of that. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and these are the Ardell Wispies, and then I pop some of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara on my lower lashes. But that's the finished look! Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.